Oh, I'm super excited to share this diamond with you. It's not every day you see a 308 fancy intense yellow pear shape with no bow tie. Let me take it out to the sun, our natural daylight. I want to show it to you. Look at that. So what you're looking at is a natural 3.08 carat fancy intense yellow in a two-tone setting. Yellow gold and white gold, double halo. I love the stone. I mean, look at that. Awesome. No, there are no modifiers. It's just straight, intense lemon yellow. I love it. It's awesome. The shank is minimal, has diamonds going one single row. Beadwork is really nice. There you go. Double halo, and then the main attraction is that fancy intense yellow. So check this out. Here is the same, not the same, it's 3.15. This one's 3.15. Ours is 3.09. This guy's asking $47,250, and I need $30,000 for this. Here's that guy's diamond video, 360. When you take a look on how close these are, I'm gonna put this, there you go. Look at that. Not only do I love this diamond, but I love the price. We're so competitive on this thing, but it's so beautiful. Let me just tell you the dimensions on it before we go. 11.9 millimeter by 7.4. Perfect, 1.60. My favorite. It's my minimum ratio for pear shapes. I love 160 and longer. That's just my own personal preference.